Plus here, maybe a point to be made. Some veterans from Darnell. But yeah, that's the block. That ball there, still right, folks. He's on the hammer. He's through 50. He's through 80. He's over 100 miles an hour. He's approaching in a hurry at 120. Look at that. If he went to the 120. Freestyle. I don't see her here. Oh, I don't know. It's out there somewhere. The folks will find her. Let's put the place in these folks. Anyway, that's the one-of-a-kind Shockwave Jet Powered truck. Second generation Darnell. Following in the footsteps of his dad, Neil Darnell, is behind the wheel of that one-of-a-kind four-wheel custom. Now, I dare say that his dad's mom is Marilyn, his dad is Neil. They're at another show, another one of his vehicles, but they have trusted this machine to the kid. And you know, when a dad gives the car keys to a family sedan over to a kid, they always give him some advice, you know, do this, don't do that. Neil Darnell, the Bob, the Window World Special. By your applause, who thinks the airplane is going to win this race? By your applause, how many people think the truck will win this race? My spectators have spoken. We have a race. Holland is way out ahead of Darnell, but I've seen this before. Darnell, 36,000 horsepower. He is closing in, but he's looking at the end of the